The sunshine and the summer heat and the humidity will be making a comeback here in northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas as we head into the weekend and early next week. But before we can get to that, we have to get through tonight's activity, which does include showers, thunderstorms, and the possibility for some heavy rain and flooding through tomorrow morning. Good Friday evening to you, certified digital meteorologist Vanessa Alonso here in the KQ2 Weather Center. As of the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, areas just south of St. Joseph into the Kansas City metro and Topeka are under a slight level 2 risk for possible strong to severe storms early this evening. But I think as we head into the overnight hours, this is going to become more of a heavy rain flooding threat for us. And then we're going to see the return of the sunshine by Saturday afternoon. And then it's going to end up being hot and humid once again as we head into next week. We just have to get through today's showers and thunderstorm activity. So again, due to the fact that we are under a level 1 marginal risk to a level 2 slight risk over parts of the KQ2 viewing area into Kansas City and Topeka, I think the biggest threat from tonight's storms again is going to be the flooding and heavy rain, but we cannot rule out the possibility of some strong storms with some high winds. Now, there have been some storms that have been forming just south of Kansas City. Those probably have a chance of maybe forming an isolated tornado. I think the risk overall is going to be low for us. I am more concerned for the heavy rain and flooding as we head into tonight and tomorrow morning. So that is why flood watches remain in effect through Saturday at 4 a.m. as we could get an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain before all is said and done. So let's walk through the hour-by-hour forecast showing that by 8 o'clock this evening we could maybe see some showers and storms. But I think as we head into the overnight hours, it's going to become more of a heavy rain threat into early tomorrow morning. Then the rest of your Saturday, mostly sunny and getting hot and humid once again, and more of the same activity as we head into our Sunday. Right now, our satellite and radar has just been picking up light rain showers and cloudy skies for us. Again, areas to our south have been dealing with some showers and some thunderstorms. Here is a live look at our Read Auto Plaza camera as of 5:30 this evening, showing the cloudy skies. And at least roads are looking pretty good for that Friday evening commute. As you can see, overnight lows will be falling into the 70s tonight with chances of storms early and then becoming more of a heavy rain, possible flooding event. Starting off the day, 74 for your Saturday with a few rain chances, mostly sunny, 87 as we head into the afternoon, near 90 degrees. And then we're going to be seeing 95 for the high on Sunday with the return of the hot and humid conditions to the region, especially into early next week. So you will need to take the proper precautions to stay cool and hydrated, especially if you're going to be heading out to Chiefs training camp in St. Joseph. And then we're going to be seeing cooler summer temperatures as we head into the second half of next week, thanks to another round of showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday into Thursday and highs in the 80s. Have a great one.